they have not come to Baguio without entering and taking picture the Baguio Cathedral at the background. The Baguio Cathedral stands as well as a landmark that speaks much of the history and development of Montañosa Church. It remains a monument of the CICM missionaries who have come to Christianize the region in the early 1900s, and keeps the history of the making of shepherds who assumed pastoral leadership in this missionary territory. On the occasion of this canonical installation of the third Bishop of Baguio, it will be meaningful to recall that here at the Baguio Cathedral on August 24, 1948, was the Episcopal consecration of Bishop William Brazer, CICM, the beloved first Vicar Apostolic of then Apostolic Vicariate of Mountain Provinces, and had been there until 1981. Here, on August 22, 1969, was the Episcopal consecration of Bishop Francisco Claver, S.J., to become the prelate of then Prelature of Malaybalay and Bukidnon. Here, on July 21, 1971, was the Episcopal consecration of Bishop Emiliano Madangeng, who later on was made Coadjutor Vicar Apostolic of Montañosa, and then was installed as the Vicar Apostolic on December 5, 1981. Here, on December 18, 1987, was the solemn installation of then Bishop Ernesto Salgado as the Vicar Apostolic of the Apostolic Vicariate of Mountain Provinces, after Bishop Madangeng resigned due to health reasons. Here on February 25, 1987, was the Episcopal consecration of Bishop Sebastian Dalis to become Auxiliary Bishop of the Apostolic Vicariate of Mountain Provinces. Here on November 25, 1992, was the Episcopal ordination of two bishops with the division of Montañosa into 3 ecclesiastical jurisdictions. Bishop Carlito J. Senson, CICM, to become the Vicar Apostolic of Tabuk. Bishop Rehedo Galasgas, to become the Vicar Apostolic of Bontoc, Lagawi. This was also the installation of Bishop Ernesto Salgado as the Vicar Apostolic of Baguio. Then on March 14, 2002, here was the solemn installation of Bishop Carlito J. Senson as the Vicar Apostolic of Baguio, having moved from the Apostolic Vicariate of Tabuk. And on November 17, 2004, he was installed as the first Bishop of Baguio after Vicariate was raised to a Diocese of Baguio. Here on January 10, 2017, was the Episcopal consecration and installation of now Archbishop Victor Bibintico as the second Bishop of the Diocese of Baguio. Here today, September 17, 2024, we are witnessing another high point in the history of the diocese with the solemn canonical installation of the Most Reverend Rafael T. Cruz, D.D., as the third Bishop of the Diocese of Baguio. This is a celebration of our gratitude and praise to God for sending us a shepherd, and now we will not feel orphaned. For us, it has been ever since we have been embraced by the Church. We were taught and have always believed that the Bishop in our midst is the Lord's love for us, His people. On the solemn Mass, we again echo with Isaiah what we, as Mountain Faithful, had been echoing. The joy of our hearts in the ministry of the Bishop in our midst. Oh, how beautiful upon the mountains are the feet of Him, one bringing the good news, announcing peace, bringing glad tidings, announcing salvation. Isaiah 52:7.